Welcome back to Things from Mars. Today we're uncovering some of the best cheap Amazon finds that look surprisingly expensive in your kitchen. From sleek gadgets to stylish essentials, these picks will instantly upgrade your space without draining your wallet. Let's dive in. Reusable silicone baking cups. Bake, pop, repeat. Non-stick surface releases easily. Reusable alternative to paper liners. Perfect for cupcakes, muffins, or snacks. Bake green, waste less. Cocktail strainer, pour smooth, sip clean. Strain seeds, pulp, and ice with ease. Fits snugly on shakers and glasses. Durable stainless steel for pro mixing. Shake, strain, impress. Stainless steel meat tenderizer. Tool flavor meets texture. Pierces meat evenly for faster marination. Durable steel prongs built to last. Enhances tenderness and juiciness. Tender made easy. Silicone Coffee Mat brew without the mess. Protects counters from spills and drips. Non-slip, heat-resistant design. Easy to rinse and reuse daily. Coffee clean, coffee calm. Mini Muffin Pan. Small bites, big flavor. Bakes up to 24 mini treats at once. Non-stick surface ensures quick release. Perfect for muffins, brownies, or snacks. Bake more, waste less. Ceramic spoon. Rest to rest easy, cook clean. Keeps counters free from drips and stains. Durable ceramic, easy to wash. Stylish design fits any kitchen. Spoon down, mess gone. Black magnetic board notes, ideas, reminders in view. Magnetic surface holds securely. Sleek black design suits home or office. Perfect for lists, schedules, and photos. Stay sharp, stay organized. Large collapsible rice container. Big storage, small space. Holds bulk rice and grains easily. Collapsible design saves pantry space. Airtight lid keeps food fresh longer. Store smart, save space. Portable blender. Blend anywhere, anytime. Rechargeable, cordless, and travel ready. Makes smoothies, shakes, and juices in minutes. Compact size, powerful performance. Sip fresh, live light. Plastic hanging trash can. Clean space, smart design. This compact bin hooks easily onto cabinet doors, keeping waste out of sight yet within reach. Its durable design and easy-to-remove lid make disposal quick and mess-free. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or RVs, where space matters most. Dispose with ease. Live clutter-free. Pancake batter dispenser. Perfect pours every time. Designed with a squeeze handle for precise batter control. Make pancakes, waffles, and cupcakes without drips or mess. Clear measurements help you portion perfectly. Bake neat, serve sweet. Hanging fruit in vegetable basket. Freshness up, clutter down. 3 spacious tiers free up counter space while keeping produce organized. Wire mesh allows airflow to keep fruits and veggies fresh longer. Stylish and practical for any kitchen or pantry. Hang high, store smart. Deep fryer pot with strainer basket golden fries, effortless fry. Heavy-duty stainless steel pot with a lift-out basket for easy frying. Keeps oil splatter under control for safer cooking. Ideal for fries, chicken, tempura, and more. Fry better, taste greater. Paper cup holder. Grab, sip, go. Keeps cups stacked neatly and always within reach. Space-saving design perfect for kitchens, offices, or parties. Durable build for daily use without tipping or spills. Stay organized, serve in style. Flower-shaped snack box, snack in bloom. Rotating petal compartments open with a twist for a stunning reveal. Ideal for serving nuts, candy, dried fruit, or small treats. Durable design adds charm to any table. Open beauty, share delight. Steak knives, sharp dining, lasting style. Precision stainless steel blades glide through every cut. Ergonomic handles ensure comfort and control. Perfect for everyday meals or elegant dinners. Slice with ease, savor with style. Drinking glasses with bamboo lids. Sip sustainably, live stylishly. Crystal clear glass shows drinks beautifully. Eco-friendly bamboo lids prevent spills. Perfect for iced coffee, tea, or smoothies. Drink clean, look chic. Fridge magnets. Stick it, never forget it. Holds notes, lists, and photos securely. Adds charm to your fridge or office board. Durable and reusable for daily use. Small tool, big reminder. Bread basket. Warm bread, cozy moments. Keeps rolls, baguettes, and pastries fresh for the table. Rustic design adds charm to family meals and gatherings. Lightweight yet durable for daily use. Serve fresh, gather happy. And that's our roundup of budget-friendly Amazon finds that give your kitchen a luxe look. Which one would you love to add to your space? Drop your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more clever finds from Things from Mars.